you go to a salon, तो वो तो आपको they'll make you feel like you're the ugliest person.
Finding a balance is so important.
Yeah, 10 minutes every night.
ठीक है, no matter जितने मर्जी थके हुए हैं.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? क्या हाल है सबके? Welcome to the Skin Edit by Ponds. Today we're doing something different. We're cutting through the noise around skincare. Viral trends se leke what actually works, right? And to help us out on this little mission that we're on, we have the great Dr. Amara and Ayla Adnan. अपनी journeys share करेंगे, अपने experiences बताएंगे, and you guys can help us really solve the skincare myths.
Absolutely.
Definitely, yeah.
Thank you so much for coming in. How are
Thank you
you?
so much for having us.
Good.
Yeah.
All good. All
Yeah.
set to talk skin.
Yeah. अभी हम यही बात कर रहे थे कि you've been doing this for the last 8 years. How has it been?
So firstly, I think there is a lot of changes that have been happening over the past decade, I think. I feel that, that now there is more awareness towards what people want to do, or what people want to achieve. Skin care या skin का ख्याल रखना या खूबसूरती कोई it's not a new thing. It's been around Egyptian times, say, there is a lot of historical background towards it. But now I see that people, more and more people are more aware of the fact that they want to do everyday small things to maintain the quality of their skin, and which is something self-care बहुत ज़्यादा trend में भी है actually, ठीक है, और need of the hour भी है. Given कि our environment has changed, the atmosphere is changing, the pollutants around us, the toxicities, toxins around us.
Yeah.
So yeah.
I think another thing that has really changed over the last couple of years is, I think, the ability to show when your skin is not in its best shape and form, right? I feel like एक ज़माना था just a few years ago when you used to put filters. जब नए filters आए थे, everyone had these really. My sister still makes fun of me for putting like the weirdest filters.
We've all been there.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah.
But अब वो जो filter-less skin है ना, वो भी लोग दिखाना शुरू हो गए हैं, and you are, I think, a beautiful example of
Thank
that.
you.
Because I think you really show your real skin, regardless.
That's really been my content philosophy. So for those of you who don't know, I do a mix of fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content. Wellness is something that's really front and center for me, and that comes from a place of dealing with anxiety, dealing with acne, and then also the misconceptions कि acne लड़कियों को एक certain age पे teens में क्यों होता है. I've faced in my early 20s as well. So Bare Skin Sunday is like a philosophy I have on my Instagram. Each Sunday, just filterless, makeupless selfies, and then I just encourage my followers, like, tune in, because Instagram is so made up. I believe everything is so aesthetic focused. There's no value really happening. Everyone's just trying to look the same, do the same. So I think cutting through that clutter with just being yourself and showing up is truly like what I do.
I love that. So nice.
Thank you.
That is.
We want more and more people like you.
Yeah, yeah. Also, skincare के trends भी बहुत ज़्यादा आए हैं, right? So every, I think, season there's a new trend. Maybe you can talk about this, because I'm sure patients come to you with a new कि अच्छा ये चल रहा है, मैं use करूँ, ये use ना करूँ. Skin whitening का एक ज़माने में, thankfully that has died down now. Thankfully एक बहुत ज़्यादा trend था, एक consciousness थी, and to be honest वो हमारे region का ही issue है, that complexity, वो issues कि हमारा skin, gory skin हो and all of that. But we never realized that जो skin, whitening products they used to use they used to use ingredients like mercury, which was very harmful.
Yeah.
So what does this still happen? Do people still come to you?
So to an extent, in my practice, clinical practice, there is still, if you talk about it, there are still people who are, like you said, हमारा जो social pressures की वजह से, there are a lot of women and a lot of people who are still exposed to it, कि उनको whitening treatments, they come to seek whitening treatments, and whitening एक उसके साथ obsession है. But having said that, I do think कि over time, because I've been practicing dermatology and aesthetics for a while now, so dermatology के point of view से आप देखते हैं तो अब ज़्यादा अवेयरनेस आनी शुरू हो गई है। पहले आम शाम हमारे पास ओपीडी में कोई लड़की आती थी जिसके चेहरे के ऊपर बाल ज़्यादा निकल आते थे, पिगमेंटेशन ज़्यादा होती थी, और फिर पता लगता था कि वो एक वाइटनिंग क्रीम यूज़ कर रही है जो
अच्छा।
उसकी दोस्त ने बताई है।
So,
सो
इस
उसके
तरह के
harmful
side effects,
जी,
हाँ।
सो उसके वो साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स जो हैं अब उनके बारे में ज़्यादा अवेयरनेस आ गई है। उधर भी लड़कियां आते हुए शर्माती हैं या उनको बुरा लगता है कि उनको ये बताना पड़ जाएगा कि मैं तो ये साल से ही अपनी दोस्त की क्रीम जो उसने बताई हुई थी 3 क्रीमें मिक्स करके लगाने वाली मैं लगा रही हूँ। देन फार्मास्यूटिकल स्क्रूटनी अब बहुत ज़्यादा हो गई है। सो वी इन प्रैक्टिस आर नॉट अलाउड टू प्रिस्क्राइब क्रीम्स विच आर इवन जिनके ऊपर कोई इंक्वायरी हुई है या उन्होंने इसी तरह के अनडिज़ायरेबल इफ़ेक्ट्स कॉज किए हैं बिकॉज दे वर लाइंड विद मर्करी। मर्करी जो है, मर्करी एक इंस्टेंट वाइटनिंग कॉज करती है, लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम ये आपकी किडनीज़ के लिए हार्मफुल है, आपकी स्किन कैंसर्स, उस पिगमेंटेशन को इन द लॉन्ग रन ख़राब करने के लिए यू नो दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट दुनिया भर में बैंड है। पाकिस्तान में अब रिसेंटली इसके ऊपर काफ़ी स्क्रूटनी हो रही है एंड विच इज़ ग्रेट बिकॉज उसकी वजह से अच्छी प्रोडक्ट्स जिनके सेफ कंटेंट्स हैं और एवरी डे यूज़ प्रोडक्ट्स इसके अंदर जो हमारी ब्राउन स्किन है, देखो ब्राउन स्किन विल ऑलवेज बी प्रोन टू गेटिंग पिगमेंटेशन और डार्क
अच्छा,
स्पॉट्स। हाँ,
okay.
सो इट विल ऑलवेज बी हमारी ये हमें इनेटली मिला है इस रीजन के लोगों को,
और
जो
हमें ये एक्सेप्ट कर लेना
हमें
चाहिए।
एक्सेप्ट कर लेना चाहिए। पिगमेंटेशन को होने से बचाने के लिए अब अवेयरनेस जो आ गई है, अब जिस तरह लोग प्री केयर, क्यों आपके पास 20s में बच्चे आते हैं और वो कहते हैं कि हमें स्किन केयर यूज़ करनी है, बिकॉज दे डोंट वांट टू एंड अप हैविंग दोज प्रॉब्लम्स लेटर,
Yeah.
you know. They've seen their mothers struggling through it, all of that. So you know, I think स्किन केयर के अंदर सेफ चीज़ें जैसे ग्लूटाथायोन हो गया, नाइसिनामाइड हो गया, देयर सर्टन प्रोडक्ट्स जैसे एवरीडे यूज़ के लिए पॉन्ड्स ब्राइट ब्यूटी सीरम है विच इज़ एन एक्सेलेंट प्रोडक्ट। मिलाजमा इज़ अ कंडीशन जिधर वो दाग हो जाते हैं ना, आपको चेहरे के ऊपर काफ़ी
Okay.
डार्क पिगमेंटेड दाग हो जाते हैं।
Sunspots, like a similar version
सो
of
सनस्पॉट्स
sunspots?
आर डिफरेंट, लेकिन एवरीडे ब्लेमिशेस को कंट्रोल करने के लिए अगर आपने अपनी स्किन केयर में कोई ऐसी चीज़ डालनी है जो सेफ भी हो, जो आपकी ब्राउन स्किन के साथ प्रिवेंटेटिव भी हो, आपको मिलाजमा ना कॉज करे, मतलब आपको डिजीज़ ना कॉज करे। मिलाजमा डिजीज़ हो जाता है ना, हम हर दाग को कहते हैं कि अच्छा ये उसका खुद ही डायग्नोसिस बना लेते हैं, उसके लिए वाइटनिंग लाइटनिंग चीज़ें यूज़ करना शुरू कर देते हैं। सो एक वो ब्लेमिशेस फ्री स्किन भी रहती है आपकी, हाइड्रेशन भी उसकी हो रही है। ग्लूटाथायोन इज़ अ साइंटिफिकली प्रूवन कंपोनेंट which is an antioxidant and it supports your skin's natural build के बैरियर ख़राब ना हो और उसकी वजह से आपकी स्किन की blemishes ना आए।
अच्छा, सो अ फॉलो अप क्वेश्चन ऑन दिस एंड आई आस्क यू दिस।
Yeah.
जो हमारे बचपन से हमेशा ना वो टोटके होते हैं कि ओ ये लगा लो तो अगले दिन ये हो जाएगा। सो इट्स ट्रू राइट, जो मेरी नॉलेज और अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, दैट इट टेक्स टाइम, यू नो, कंसिस्टेंसी इज सुपर इम्पॉर्टेंट। एक दिन लगाने से अगले दिन परफेक्ट नहीं हो जाएंगे आप, ऐसा ही है।
Yeah.
सो यू नो, डू यू थिंक दैट शॉर्ट टर्म, यू नो, हैक्स
will always cause your skin damage. I've seen, and I think just following up with what she said, salons are the biggest perpetrators for whitening agents. The facials, the bleach, polish, whatever word.
Oh, वो तो
you
I like
add.
you go to a salon तो वो तो आपको they'll make you feel like you're the ugliest person.
So these services are coveted as healthier and safer alternatives than using
Yeah.
really harsh like mercury-based creams. But I feel like people need to understand you cannot just become 3 shades lighter. That is physically and biologically not possible without causing your body a lot of harm. So what I say to even my followers who've struggled with dark spots and acne, and especially when you're younger, you are more prone to like preventative care than like facing something like melasma and then dealing with like the later side effects. So going back to the anti like pigmentation serums like the Pond's one, it has really even helped like my jaw acne, and when I feel like my skin is getting a bit patchy just because of texture, the hormonal cycle I'm in, there's so many factors. You should just go for like skincare that's consistently giving you results.
And define consistent. How often do you use it?
For me, so I have a AM and PM skincare routine. If I'm on shoots, I'm wearing heavy makeup, I will always double cleanse my skin. If I'm going to the gym, like double cleansing is something that's really helped my acne prone skin. And just using serums that actually have properties that help heal your skin rather than going for brightness or going for something that's a bit more on the aesthetic side. I like to just deal with my pores. If they're feeling dry, I'll use a hyaluronic acid serum. So really depending on the need of the day is how I'll go with my skincare.
And do you think, I mean, I'm sure you're going to agree with this. Go to a doctor, man. Get it diagnosed, get it treated properly as compared to just picking something off the shelf.
So वही जो अभी हम बात कर रहे हैं कि if you're actually experiencing an issue, it's better to consult. लेकिन अब now there is so much information out there. There are some things that don't fall under the category of disease. Right?
Yeah.
So उसके लिए prevention, उसके लिए at home, उसके लिए basic skin care और उसमें भी अगर आप खुद पढ़ सकते हैं बहुत अच्छा है. अगर आप किसी प्रोफेशनल से हेल्प लेना चाहते हैं और भी अच्छा है. But you know, just going to a dermatologist या going to a skin specialist doesn't mean कि कोई भी skin specialist आपको 100 चीज़ें जो बताएगा वो आप करेंगे तो आपकी skin चमकेगी. Maybe you don't have that problem that you are seeing. A lot of times aesthetics practice में मेरी जैसे अब practice में ज़्यादा फुटफॉल स्पेशली 20s में मैं कहूँगी. 30s वाले ज़रा फिर भी थोड़े से स्मार्टर हैं, वो ज़रा डरते हैं, वो ज़रा आराम से चीज़ें करना चाहते हैं. लेकिन 20s वाली एज ब्रैकेट में बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा आते हैं विद द फियर ऑफ कि हमें ये हो ना जाए. एंग्जाइटी उनको होती है इस चीज़ की, विच इज़ अ माइंड सेट दैट वी नीड टू ऑल्सो सॉर्ट ऑफ और उसके अंदर इम्पल्स के अंदर आई थिंक यू एंड अप picking things which are not good for you. आपकी दोस्त लगा रही है. अब say for instance like Ayla said कि she was suffering from something. There is a treatment available for it also. लेकिन ट्रीटमेंट आप करना चाहते हो, नहीं करना चाहते, आप स्किन केयर से उसको मैनेज करना चाहते हो, देयर आर ऑलवेज ऑप्शंस. सो प्रोफेशनली हेल्प लेने में तो कोई इसमें बुराई नहीं है. लेकिन आई डू थिंक कि जो तुम भी कर रही हो, like basic, you know, keeping everything
consistent routine,
barrier repair, you know, activities,
Yeah.
barrier repair, skin
Deep cleaning the skin.
These are actually basics. These are something कि आपको डॉक्टर नहीं बता सकता. These are something these are the facts जो आपको follow करने हैं
Also
अच्छी skin
gender
के लिए.
neutral skincare.
Yeah.
I see so many guys now actually starting to get concerned, you know, why we having so many blackheads, and they're taking really interest in skincare, and it's always been my
Which is
thing
great.
Yeah.
to
Yeah,
tell
it
people
is.
that skincare is basic hygiene. Like you taking care of your skin is your biggest organ. If it's dry, deal with it. If you're facing acne and you're facing it for various amounts of reason, take professional help. But with the resources available, I think fact check, look at ingredient list, and if you still feel that anxiety, then only go to a professional. I think people, you know, because there's so much information available readily, you get overwhelmed and you're like,
Yeah.
okay, I don't know any of this. Let me just go to a professional. And you know, some people can also give the advice they would want to give to like sell their product because
Yeah.
there is a full structure to how even consults work. And it's really good that you're being super transparent with there's option A or option B.
हाँ, and talking about transparency, like हमारे तो पाकिस्तान में आसान है ना, इधर तो हम डॉक्टर को easily access कर सकते हैं. Picking out products which are basically transparent and which are dermatologically tested. Those products actually can make great skincare,
Yeah.
everyday skincare routine.
Yeah.
और वो आपको help भी कर सकती हैं to combat a certain problem like acne or
Yeah.
pigmentation.
Yeah. But you know, we talked about anxiety, right? Skincare, your skin is actually a reflection of your entire
Mental state.
Yeah,
Yep.
mental state, your diet, your lifestyle, your sleeping cycle. आजकल तो सबका उल्टा sleeping cycle हुआ है. Thankfully not ours, but you know, the younger generation.
No, I sleep at 12. I wake
Okay,
up at like
amazing.
7 a.m.
Amazing.
So I'm a
great.
morning person now. This is my-
Amazing. It affects, of course, your skin, right? And you've managed that, I'm assuming, really well. Yeah.
Now, honestly, I had my dissertation happening last year. If you guys saw my skin last year, congestion. And it was a reflection of my mental state, my cortisol level, my body was constantly in fight or flight. And sometimes your like life just goes too fast. I think that's why sticking to a basic but consistent routine of like a cleanser, a good serum, a moisturizer, and SPF should be able to even give you mental peace. Like I use my skincare time, my me time, just to calm myself down. I'll play some music, I'll light a candle, and that's what self-care is for everyone. Just whatever works for you to just reset your bit.
Yeah. What do you tell patients when they come in and they have a
So
terrible
मेरा तो है ही
lifestyle?
holistic. It's
Yeah.
complete. Your skin is the largest organ of your body. So it is only going to reflect what's going on the inside. If you're having hormonal issues or if you're having any kind of metabolic issues in the body, or stress being the leading cause. So all of these factors बहुत skin को affect करते हैं. और उसके साथ combat करने के लिए you have to have there is no two way about it. आपको exercise भी करनी है, आपको बेशक आप 40 minutes की brisk walk करते हो, आपने करनी है. आपको डाइट भी अपनी सही रखनी है. सो आई थिंक
डाइट डिफाइन करें, क्या सही रखनी है?
सो डाइट के अंदर देखो, डाइट के अंदर हर किसी का ना मेटाबॉलिज्म डिफरेंट होता है, ठीक है, एंड एट डिफरेंट एज ग्रुप्स आपकी डिफरेंट न्यूट्रिशनल रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं एक हेल्दी इंसान की, ठीक है. उस न्यूट्रिशनल अपनी वैल्यू हर चीज़ की लेना, ठीक है, अपनी डाइट के थ्रू इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. ईटिंग आवर्स आर सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. वी gone are the days when people used to eat like, अभी जैसे तुम young बच्चों में देखो, when they're kids in the habit of eating after 12, जो हम अभी इससे पहले भी बात कर रहे थे, after 12 छुट्टी के अंदर जब वो खा रहे हो, so little kids obesity उनके अंदर आ रही है, and obesity is a big alarming problem. अब हम the weight loss medications उनके लिए use कर रहे हैं. So one thing lead to another, everything in moderation, everything in simplicity. Junk food avoid करना is absolutely important.
Yeah.
But who doesn't love some burgers?
Yeah,
Who
we all
doesn't,
do, right?
honestly? But
Yeah.
moderation is the
Yeah.
best, like portion control. Also, identifying what works for you. I suffer from gut issues. I feel like today's podcast is just Ayla suffering from things.
No, I suffer from gut issues
No,
as well,
but
by the way.
It's so
Yeah.
nice listening to you that
Yeah, it
it's
is.
like you had a real problem going on, and you sort of like found solutions towards it by educating yourself about
And
the
there's
problem.
no two ways about it. I think being aware of your own stuff really works. So
Yeah.
anti-inflammatory foods and inflammatory foods basically are the biggest thing you should also be understanding. Eating cucumbers really helps with hydration. I think dehydration is also a big issue with my generation. Like anyone in their 20s, we're having coffee over water. And that's a really big problem. And that's also just coffee culture, I feel like, has really taken over. So I think just taking a step back, increasing your water intake can help your skin so much more than doing
Absolutely.
20 billion things. So it's just like sticking to the bare bones and getting them right.
क्योंकि हम कहते हैं कि ट्रांस एपिडर्मल वाटर लॉस, हम एक बात करते हैं कि हम बैठे हुए हैं तो ये इनसेंसिबल एक वाटर हमारा लॉस हो रहा है, ये जो भी हम बैठे हुए हैं इसमें
Yeah.
भी.
अच्छा.
So ये वाटर हम कब रिप्लेनिश कर रहे हैं?
Stanley's जो सब
Yeah.
They should be filled with water and they should be finished 2 to 3
Oh, now they're
times
filled
a
with coffee as
Some
well.
people
Oh,
I've seen
God.
Stanleys with coffee, and I'm like, good for you guys.
So this is clear कि अगर if you have a disease, something that is not getting better on its own, you go to a dermatologist. Simple. And then you go to the supermarket, you pick something up. But the question is, how do you spot whether it's safe for you or not?
So like I said, एक तो go for brands which are transparent. Whatever is written on them is going to be present in it. You know that you're not choosing some beauty cream which is going to say something else and have something else. So एक तो go for transparent brands, and then brands that are working with ingredients which are science backed. जैसे for example मैं आपको बताती हूँ, एक fairness के लिए एक ingredient होता है जो आपकी ब्राइटनेस में हेल्प करता है, जैसे अभी हमने थोड़ी देर पहले बात की, ग्लूटाथान, नायासिनामाइड, नायासोर्सिनॉल. ये सारे जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, ये सारे जो इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं, ये दे हैव बीन अराउंड फॉर अ वाइल. ये हाइड्रेशन भी इनमें से कुछ इंग्रेडिएंट्स करते हैं, कुछ इंग्रेडिएंट्स इनमें से ब्राइटनिंग भी करते हैं. हाइड्रेशन क्रीम्स के लिए भी इसी तरह के इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं दैट आर वर्किंग. But there are brands that are working with dermatologists या people who understand skin. ठीक है. So go for those brands rather than going for something which is totally purely commercial, which is giving you instant results. Don't follow something which is giving you instant results. Instant results can never be. Mercury उसके अंदर 100% हो गया, I can guarantee it.
अच्छा.
ये हमारे पास जो मेडिकल क्रीम्स भी आती हैं जो मैं पिगमेंटेशन के लिए, उसमें से भी जो इंस्टेंट क्रीम्स होती हैं, we just never write them because we know that they are going to be laced with mercury. अभी पकड़े नहीं गए, पकड़े जाएंगे eventually, लेकिन अभी मार्केट में चल रही है, लेकिन those creams can never be good.
Yeah, and honestly, it's so dangerous, right? And I'm so glad कि अब लोगों में ये awareness आ गई है और आगे I think और भी आती जाएगी. Because आप एक वक्त में लगा के अपनी स्किन को तो बेहतर कर लें, but the future is it's not good for you. So.
About ingredients, I think you can educate yourself. Like you said, you can use even ChatGPT to educate yourself.
100%. And also patch testing, I believe, is a great way to see if a product works for your skin or not. So for example, मेरी acne prone sensitive skin है. Even if something is trending like obsessively on the internet, I would first, as a personal thing, I would like look at the ingredient list. But even if I get the product, just a little bit of a patch test on your hand or the side of your face to see, okay, jalan nahi ho rahi. There's, even if it's not a brightening product, I say for anything, just do a little patch test on your skin. You don't know what's going to react and what's not going to.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Great idea.
और जैसे बहुत ज़्यादा obsession थी पिछले दिनों with Korean skincare.
Yeah, I was just going to get to that.
Yeah.
So मेरे पास बहुत लोग आते थे, वो कहते थे कि oh, what do you think about the Korean skincare? So मेरा बस एक ही सवाल मैं उनसे पूछती हूँ कि are you Koreans?
Yeah.
If you're not Koreans, you're not born in Korea, ठीक है?
Good.
You don't have same genetic makeup. Then your skin is not going to. I mean, for starters, for me, no matter कितनी महंगी Korean cream हो, it never works for me.
Because you're right, you're not
I'm
Korean.
not
It's not
Korean.
for you.
It's not formulated for you. And
Yeah.
I really like products that are made specifically for Asian skin, brown skin. Pond's
Yeah.
has like a great array of products that hydrate and are made and tested on skins like us. So we as brown individuals should be proud of our identity, like push on our skincare and our philosophies rather than just practicing what the West is doing or like other parts of
Absolutely.
Asia.
और ये बहुत कॉमन occurrence है. तुम खुद भी देखो, कभी आप हाईली रिव्यूड या रेटेड स्किन केयर होती है ना, आप बहुत एक्सपेंसिव वो ले लेते हैं, सिफोरा पे भरी हुई है, आप ले लेते हैं उधर से, और आप लेकर आते हैं, उधर लगाते हैं, इधर लगाते हैं, आपको ब्रेकआउट्स हो जाते हैं. सो यू नो दिस इज़ अ वेरी कॉमन प्रॉब्लम. दैट्स व्हाई पीपल थिंक अच्छा उसके इंग्रेडिएंट्स ठीक नहीं थे. अच्छा मेरा स्किन का प्रॉब्लम था, से फॉर एग्जांपल मैं एक्नी ख़त्म करना चाहती थी, सो XYZ प्रोडक्ट बहुत फेमस है, मैं ये एक्नी के लिए लेकर आती हूँ और यूज़ करते हैं, then you get a breakout. That's because that product is not formulated for your skin
It can
type.
also further break you out. I've tried so many trending products over the years of when I was in like my early teens, and over the course of the years, I've put tea tree oil directly on
Yeah,
pimples, which
I
is one
have
of the
as well.
most like harshest ingredients you can put.
Really?
And now it causes like further darkness because you're putting like, I used to have like pimples that would be popped. I would put like tea tree oil thinking it's going to help with
Yeah.
redness. It would just make it worse. So again, research, and now we have access to ChatGPT. So it's the best, I think. Put your details, and then also you can't trust AI. So go to a derm. Like if you are
Yeah.
really dealing with something and it's affecting your confidence, your self-esteem,
Yeah.
and it's affecting your mental health, then just deal with it. Just
And
go have it
acne
checked.
is a very treatable condition.
Yeah.
There is treatment for it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you treat it.
Yeah.
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 So, we've spoken a lot about the internet and how there's so much information. You mentioned that and you mentioned that as well. बहुत clutter है, हर दिन एक नया trend आ रहा है. How do you really cut through that clutter? And, how do you understand कि किसको trust करना है, किसको नहीं करना है? How do you make that decision?
I think like I said कि professional help is always there.
Yeah.
But do your research even when you're going to a professional. और मेरे अपने उसके हिसाब से, मैं अपने प्रोफेशन के हिसाब से बात करूँगी कि go to a professional who's ready to answer all your queries.
Yeah.
So because you have the right to make an informed decision about yourself and ask as many questions as you want to about a certain treatment or a certain problem. The person that you are choosing should be able to answer them.
Yeah.
I think so. And just coming back to जैसे आप अपना personal style हर दिन change नहीं करते just because some trends are happening, आप अपनी personalized skincare recommendations कैसे change कर सकते हैं? I feel like वो trusting yourself, trusting your gut, doing a patch test, having the data to make an informed decision is the most important way to be breaking out of the clutter. Because उस way में फिर आप एक consumerism के trap में फंस जाते हैं that every day you're going to be ordering new skincare products and you cannot use your own face as a playground for testing. I think you should just stick to products that you are well informed on. If something is not working for you, make a list. See like what ingredient was it that maybe triggered you. So you'll be able to understand your skin better if you just make decisions based on what's suiting you rather than what everyone else is buying into.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें.
So with that, we'll move to the second part of the show. I've asked you a lot of questions. काफ़ी हमने बात कर ली है. Now let's make it a little more fun and be super honest, okay? Super real, super honest. I'm going to say a sentence and I want you guys to finish it, okay? So I'll ask you first. And then go. Cool? So before like a big wedding or a festival, what is that one treatment suddenly everybody wants?
Suddenly everyone wants.
Yeah.
They want everything in just one day. And I don't do anything because it's your big day and
Yeah.
you're just coming like 2 days before.
Yeah.
I don't want you to end up with a disaster on the
Worst
big
day
day.
to do research and development 2 days before your wedding. I say
Yeah,
maybe
you
come a
can't.
month before and see and have a
Yeah.
consult.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what are your top 3 things that people should do before a wedding season, ideally, you know, a month before?
A month before, I wouldn't say a month before because I don't believe in a month before preparation for an event. I am a all year, you know,
Okay.
small
Consistent.
changes person. I'm not a, you know, right before your big day or weeks before your big day person. So I would say, you know, start taking care of yourself, get sleep. So because, you know, जब important event आता है उसके around सारी stress start होती है. सो उसके अराउंड जो स्ट्रेस स्टार्ट होती है वो ना आपको वो स्किन गोल तक पहुंचने देती है अगर आपने महीना पहले वो स्किन गोल बनाया है. सो इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. सो यू नो लाइक वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इट पहले भी कि ये इट्स ओवरऑल ऑल ईयर राउंड. सो नो आई नॉट वन फॉर मी.
अच्छा, तो हमने प्री शादी, यू नो, प्री इवेंट तो बात कर ली, बट व्हाट डू यू डू पोस्ट इवेंट, यू नो? बिकॉज आजकल माशाल्लाह whoever can afford it, of course they have a lot of events, you know, बहुत ज़्यादा मेकअप होता है, you know, shoots होती हैं, you know, outdoor indoor both. So उसके बाद फिर आप क्या, how can you take care of your skin after all of your events?
So after any event, it's very important to take your makeup off. मेकअप उतारना और उसको क्लेंस करना, इट्स नॉट ईजी. ऑयल क्लेंस भी करना पड़ता है, वाटर क्लेंस भी करना पड़ता है, वाटर बेस भी, soap cleanse, whatever it is that you need to take the makeup off and sleep with clean skin. On every big occasion, small occasion, whenever you put makeup on, it's very important. Then आपने अपनी skin को detox देना थोड़ा सा. डिटॉक्स आपने, हम यूजुअली कहते हैं 7 day डिटॉक्स दें. अब शादी के बाद शादी के खाने शुरू हो जाते हैं, ऑल ऑफ दैट.
वो तो नहीं हो सकता.
सो गो वेरी बेसिक देन. अपना वो हैवी मेकअप का, एंड देन एक चीज़ जो आप कर सकते हैं, मेकअप जब आप करवाने के लिए जाएं तो आप जगह चूज़ करें जिधर आप या तो अपनी कोई चीज़ लेके जा सकते हैं जो डायरेक्ट इन कॉन्टैक्ट होती है, बिकॉज वी सी अ लॉट ऑफ इन्फेक्शंस. People with a lot of infections come after the wedding.
Like foundation, you mean?
So जो
Brushes.
sponges and brushes use
अच्छा,
होते हैं ना, उनके
okay.
ऊपर communicable infections होते हैं, like warts होती हैं. So a lot of times मेरे पास actually there are some influencers जो you know everyday makeup करवाया या किसी campaign के लिए वो हो रहे हैं, and then they come back with these lesions on their face and they're like ये क्या है, and वो facial warts होती हैं. That's because कि वो उधर clean नहीं होते इतने. So इधर अपने लेके जाएं या ऐसी जगह पे जाएं जिधर ये सब कुछ क्लीन होता है. सो बी वेरी माइंडफुल ऑफ द फैक्ट कि मेकअप भी क्या अप्लाई कर रहे हैं अपनी स्किन में. मेकअप खूबसूरती के लिए कर रहे हैं आप, तो यू नो जस्ट मेक श्योर कि वो भी अच्छा प्रोडक्ट अच्छा हो, सो ताकि ब्रेकआउट्स ना हो, यू नो.
और कम प्रोडक्ट अप्लाई करें.
एब्सोल्युटली. आई डोंट थिंक कि बहुत ज़्यादा ओवर उसकी ज़रूरत होती है. आई थिंक आई फ्रॉम अ डिफरेंट सिटी, यू गाइज आर फ्रॉम अ डिफरेंट सिटी. हमारे उधर डिफरेंट है ज़रा सा. इसी तरह लाहौर चले जाएं तो डिफरेंट है ट्रेंड. कराची में देखते हो ज़्यादा नेचुरल वो है. आई थिंक आई एम ऑल अप फॉर नेचुरल. मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Yeah. And then the next day, okay, you washed it in the morning. The next few days, you're saying कि कोशिश करें कि कम apply करें, which is realistically very tough to do, Amara. But health wise, diet wise, again stay hydrated, eat well. Again फिर दावतों के खाने तो वो. So how do you combat that?
थोड़ा अपने आप को टाइम दें.
ऑल्सो अपने इवेंट्स को थोड़ा डिटॉक्स मोड में रख के प्लान करें. आई फील लाइक बिकॉज हर बंदे की शादी दूसरे दिन हो रही होती है एंड एवरीवन हैज़ 6 से 7 इवेंट्स माशाल्लाह से. अपने को आप ब्रेक ही नहीं दे रहे तो ऑब्वियसली वो आपकी स्किन पे होगा. कमिंग बैक टू, जैसे मैं भी शूट्स पे जाती हूँ, मैं हमेशा अपने मेकअप ब्रशेज़ लेके जाती हूँ. यू हैव टू वॉश योर मेकअप ब्रशेज़. अगर आप एक न्यूली मैरिड ब्राइड हैं एंड यूर लाइक यू नो लर्निंग मेकअप, आप पे क्या सूट हो रहा है, हैव योर ओन लिटिल किट जिसमें आपके पास क्लेंजिंग वाइप्स हैं, डिसइंफेक्टेंट्स हैं. अगर आप मेकअप करवाने भी जा रहे हैं सो आपके पास वो हाइजीन के एलिमेंट्स होंगे, वो आपके दिमाग में यूल बी एट काम बिकॉज यू नो कि आपकी कोई फेशियल वर्ड्स नहीं हो सकते. सो यू विल हैव अ बिट मोर calmness. And then again double cleansing, मतलब एक oil cleanser इस्तेमाल करना is so important to get the makeup off. And the next couple of days just take it easy. SPF हर दिन लगाएं, like Bila Naga SPF needs to be applied. And just go with the flow, pace your events out. हर दिन event करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है.
I wish it was that easy.
I wish so too, but I
नहीं
feel
लेकिन
like
जो भी जितना भी इवेंट है उसके बाद रात को आके तुम्हारी स्किन केयर करनी है
Yeah, you have
ritual
your me
ritual
time.
Isla ritual I'm naming it Isla
eyeliner
ritual
ritual 10 minutes every night,
ठीक है
guaranteed.
नो मैटर जितने मर्जी थके हुए हैं
Yeah.
बिल्कुल.
Because एक आदत जब आपकी मेकअप उतारने की properly बन जाती
absolutely-
है, it's the most important thing. I've never slept with makeup on.
Yeah.
I'm very proud of that.
People sleep with makeup on.
People
people
sleep
do.
with full faces of makeup on, and
That's terrible.
concerning because
Yeah.
आप अपने pillows पे bacteria, like आपका इतना रात को when you turn you have so much bacteria transfer. आपको अपने pillow covers, coming back to what can brides do, please change your pillow covers. Get silk pillow covers that are actually better for your skin, better for your hair. ऐसी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें अगर आप swap out करेंगे, you will definitely see a difference time के साथ, that you will not only feel better but you will know that ये reasons अब मुझे acne शायद cause नहीं कर सकते because you're taking proactive measures to do so.
What's the one mistake that people make before a big event?
बहुत कॉमन है सैलून जाएंगे और उधर फेशियल करा लेंगे और एक
Hydra facial.
हाइड्रा फेशियल नहीं कोई ब्लीचिंग वाइटनिंग फेशियल आई लव वाइटनिंग ऑब्सेशन तो ब्राइड भी वाइट होनी चाहिए ना
Gory bride.
क्या होता है इससे?
सो उससे या तो एंड टाइम पे बर्न हो जाएगा बर्न के साथ आएंगे कि बर्न हो गया अच्छा एक हफ्ता पहले इसी तरह किसी ने कह दिया कि हाइड्रा फेशियल करा लो हाइड्रा फेशियल कराएंगे बिकॉज अब बहुत ट्रेंड बढ़ गया है सो हाइड्रा फेशियल कराएंगे एंड देन डिस्ट्रेस्ड कॉल के यू नो पिंपल्स निकल आए पूरे फेस पे दैट्स बिकॉज के लाइक आई सेड कि इट्स नॉट अ लास्ट डे थिंग या
What do you think?
I think personally, I don't go for like treatments. I like to again stick with a consistent routine. So maybe double cleansing a little more, getting sleep, getting water.
What's the mistake that people make normally?
Mistake. I think again, just imagining that you'll go into any clinic or place and walk out a completely different person. I think those expectations are also set by families when you're getting married. The expectation ki, you know, the bride needs to be gory, and they won't say it like we're padhe likhe, so they won't really say it, but you know, why don't you try this and that. So I feel like there's a lot of pressures on a bride already with so much happening, and then these are just like those last resort calls that they do. So don't do that, and like take care of your skin over the months because stress will break you out. Like there is no two ways about
Yeah.
it.
That's true.
Yeah.
I got two big pimples right before my engagement.
Oh, God.
And I remember I went to my makeup, you know, the girl who was doing my makeup, and I was like, you know, just pop them. And she's like, are you crazy? For one event, you want a big scar on your face? Like,
Yeah.
for the rest of your life? Forget it. So I think that was good advice.
I never get a pimple. I got a pimple as soon as I got the call for this.
No way.
Maybe it was Karachi, I don't know. The fear of Karachi. But no, another one. So what's the best way to keep that post-treatment glow alive?
Consistent skincare. Hydration is very important.
How many glasses of water do I need to have in a day, bhai? Ye bata de.
8 to 10.
That's enough?
8 to 10 is
Guys are drinking a lot of water.
Yeah.
No, I drink 8
Yeah,
to
I
10.
drink less.
You drink less?
I need to increase my water intake. It's really bad, yeah.
okay.
I have like 2.5, 3 liters on a good day.
Which is what? The same? 8 to 10?
Yeah?
3 liters.
Like less.
So 3
Like
liters is a lot.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, then maybe I had a misconception that was burst.
Yeah,
right
yeah.
now.
No,
Perfect.
3 liters is your 12 glasses, more or less. So yeah, you're doing
Okay,
good.
I think I'm good.
Yeah.
What about you? What do you think?
I think SPF, a lot of people come with concerns of like dark spots, not even acne, and it's like post-acne marks. When you're going under the sun, you're doing so many preps for your wedding, you're not wearing SPF, you're obviously exposing your skin to more tan and more things that can not make you feel the best on your biggest day. So I think just again, having an SPF, having like a weekly maintenance day, take an hour, journal, do something that gives you peace. And I feel like people just think skincare is just the products you use. You want good skin? Fix your entire like attitude around things. Like
Yeah.
you just need to take a break
Fix your attitude, I think.
around the wellness aspect. And wellness is not like putting a face mask on and like drinking like cucumber water. It's genuinely just taking care and stress management.
Yeah. So it all boils down to what? Anxiety and stress, everything,
100%.
right? So the gut, the skin, everything. It's just linked to your mental health, which is why mental health is so important.
important.
It is,
right?
it is, absolutely,
Yeah. But I'm going to circle back to SPF. So there's been a lot of chatter about SPF, social media पे as well. कि SPF it's a sun protectant, but of course वो रात में भी क्यों लगाओ? फिर उसके बाद moisturizer पे भी बहुत ज़्यादा conversations थी. So for example, I have really dry skin, so obviously I need moisturizer. But people who have oily skin are also told to put moisturizer. So can you clarify this for people?
So first question was SPF.
Yeah.
How important it is? It's super important because the sun is transmitting 3 kinds of rays: UVA, UVB, UVC. So you always are in need of a broad spectrum SPF as long as there is sunlight. क्लाउडी डे हो सकता है लेकिन सनलाइट तक शाम तक आपको पहनना है, ठीक है. शाम तक इसलिए कहते हैं क्योंकि शाम के बाद सन रेज आर नॉट एज स्ट्रॉन्ग. सो यू कैन स्किप योर इवनिंग्स. रात में पहनने की ऑब्वियसली ज़रूरत नहीं है, लेकिन मॉर्निंग एंड देन यू हैव टू री अप्लाई SPF. That is very important. Every 2 to 3 hours of
अच्छा.
sun exposure, you have to reapply your sun.
But if I'm
SPF.
sitting in the office, let's have ask मतलब अपनी उस जिंदगी की बात करूँ, so फिर मुझे ज़रूरत है.
So if you're sitting in the office, so तुम सुबह घर में लगा कर आई हो, reapplication तुम्हें करनी है 3 घंटे बाद.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
Okay. And the same for moisturizer?
So moisturizer के बारे में एक misconception होती है कि a lot of people think that their skin is for example acne
Oily.
prone या oily है और
They don't
उनको
need it.
moisturizer
They
की
don't
ज़रूरत
need
नहीं है. So every skin needs moisturization. Dry, oily, combination, normal, all of them. There is no question. अगर if you want to keep youthful, barrier protected, अच्छी skin, then you have to follow it. Moisturizer की kinds different हो सकती हैं. Light gel well moisturizers are more suitable for people who have acne prone skin. इसी तरह जो thick creams होती हैं, they are more suited for people who have drier skin.
Yeah.
So इसके अंदर आपको ये formulations फिर देखनी चाहिए.
I love for you. So one product you would add to your routine for hydration and follow up.
Honestly, for extra hydration, I like to go in with like a hyaluronic acid 2 times. So I'll put a hyaluronic acid before my moisturizer, and I feel like sometimes I take a little long to do my makeup in between my moisturizer. My skin gets dry again. I'll take a little like hyaluronic acid and just plump up my skin. Because I used to have the misconception oily acne prone skin doesn't need a moisturizer. I started breaking out way more. My skin was drier than the desert. And then when I started using a moisturizer, like a super light gel moisturizer in the summers, it really helped my skin soothe.
I think products के अलावा there's also a lot of chatter about facials and peels and lasers. Especially when you go to a salon. So salon वाली आंटी आपको ऐसे feel कराएंगी that you're just the ugliest person और आपको ये भी करा लो और ये नहीं है और वो नहीं है. How do you make the right decision then? Is it harmful to get too many treatments? How does that work?
So too many treatments, getting a treatment, all the wrong reasons I can tell you. Getting a treatment just because your friend just got it. Getting a treatment just because somebody else pointed out that this is the treatment or you should get. Also getting too many treatments.
Yeah.
There are clients, we also see them in our practice there are clients who are coming to you every week and you have to tell them that you don't need it. So just get whatever you need. And not overindulge. It's like shopping.
Yeah.
Don't overindulge in it.
And
Yeah.
also once you go into a space and if you are impressionable, and I feel like especially girls in their early 20s who are trying to go for anti-aging from your early 20s, I think someone needs to shake these girls down, including myself, because there's just so much fakeness on social media. Everyone's skin is
Yeah.
looking like a filter. You feel like there's something wrong with you and having textures and pores. Or textures and pores हर बंदे की skin पे होते हैं. The best of the best celebrities have it. Just embrace yours and know that life is not picture perfect. Like your skin cannot look the way you want it to look because that's just based on aesthetic reasons. You should just aim to have healthy, glowing skin and emphasis on healthy. So
And keep
it's-
working towards it.
And keep working towards it.
Yeah.
It will always be skin in progress. Your skin
Yeah.
will never be what you want it to be because age के साथ आपके concerns भी change होते जाते हैं. Even conditions like we were talking about it. I have eczema, so the way I deal with my eczema will be very different for someone who doesn't have eczema. So I
Yeah.
would be more well versed कि मुझे पता है ये चीज़ें मुझे
Yeah.
trigger कर सकती हैं, etc. So I think अपना जो एक personal knowledge bank है दिमाग में of your skincare, just start looking into it because it's basic hygiene and it will only make you feel better if that's what you want in life.
No, absolutely. I think spot on, and honestly has been really helpful.
Now that we're going into the winter time, I think seasonality पे भी skincare change करनी चाहिए. So
Absolutely.
your skin with time, with weather does change. So जैसे we change our diet, we change so many things. Skincare products should also transition to like thicker products in the winters for
Yeah.
that good moisturized skin.
Yeah. So I
She's
wanted to
absolutely right.
come to this weather, right? So
Yeah.
now in this changing weather, you know, dryness ज़्यादा है, viral भी है, but that's
Yeah.
another discussion. But you know, yeah, like how so for me, I'll tell you about me. My skin starts showing whiteness, like वो बिल्कुल इतनी dry हो जाती है in this dry weather.
Yeah.
But how does it show for different people?
For me, cracks. I get a little bit of
Sure.
like cracky skin in between my eyebrows if the weather is getting super dry. And then in the winters, I think you're not even thirsty.
You're not.
So
you drink
you're
less.
drinking
drink
less
less
water,
water.
so your skin is getting congested. You'll feel that even if you're applying makeup, there's a bit more texture than you would
Patchy.
see and patchiness. So I think just finding a moisturizer that can be applied like overnight or just a little more product so when you wake up, your skin is refreshed.
So I'm confused now.
Yeah.
I should put the SPF first, so the moisturizer.
You don't need SPF at night. So in your night time.
In the morning. Tell me my routine in the morning.
So your SPF also contains some moisturizer. But I always advise, like for example, if winter months are or winter months are going to be really harsh. हमारे environment में they're
Yeah.
harsh and they're super dry. So it's better to start with a moisturizer. You can use a light moisturizer. You can use just a serum, or you can top it with a cream. अगर आपकी स्किन ज़्यादा ड्राई है. For people who have combination skin, उनके लिए serum also a good hyaluronic acid serum like Pond's hyaluronic acid serum है. That works as a
वो पहले
great-
लगाऊं बाद में लगाऊं.
So you'll use it first. So right after you
First.
wash your face, when your face is about 70% dry and 30% wet.
ठीक है.
So हल्का सा जब नमी होती है face पे तो तब आप लगाते हैं
Hyaluronic
serum.
acid.
Hyaluronic acid serum that gives you instant hydration and that also is lasting hydration. Then the SPF that you're applying also has क्योंकि क्रीम में बना होता है ना उसकी बेस तो क्रीम होती है so उसकी क्रीम बेस है या उसकी जेल बेस है उसमें भी कुछ मॉइस्चराइजर है. अब for people who have dry skin, like for example I usually have really dry skin, so I use a hyaluronic acid serum and then I also use a cream and then I use the SPF.
Yeah.
So ये अब आपने determine करना है आपकी स्किन किस तरह की है.
What about retinol?
So retinol goes at night.
That's such
The
a.
question.
I feel like girls who are also in their early 20s
Yeah.
have the misconception retinol should be used. And I feel like retinol is such an anti-aging ingredient that it should be used with a lot of caution and how much you're using it. I was on a tretinoin for a bit, which was Dermat like logically told me. And I saw that my skin was breaking out because I was applying more than I needed to and my entire skin broke out. So definitely just tracking your skincare and transitioning into good winter products would really help. And the lightest, I think, ingredient should be applied first. So if it's like a gel-based thing, apply that before a cream-based because then your skin will be able to get the benefits
Sure.
and absorb it better.
Okay, and your take on retinol?
So retinol, great anti-aging ingredient, लेकिन I think it's super hyped up.
Yeah.
It's super hyped up. It's sort of a routine. In 20s, you don't really need any retinol.
30s?
You can start using it in 30s.
Okay.
And you only have to use it once in a month, once in a week, not more than that. It has to be consistent application. For years, if you keep using it once in a week, that's when you see the results. Like तुम 30 की picture देखो, 32 की picture देखो, तुमको मैं 2 years लगाती रही हूँ. So now I'm looking better at 32. So it's that kind of ingredient. It's a slow, cells का turnover increase करता है and it's a slow change. You don't have to apply a lot. अगर लगानी है तो सही तरह से लगाएं and then you can top it. You should always top it with a moisturizer.
The sandwich
sure.
method you say, na? Moisturizer,
You always
retinol,
top it with a moisturizer.
And रात को लगाएं.
रात को.
The next day, you have to use your SPF with retinol because your skin is so much more sensitive to sunlight. You need to like double down on your
Yeah.
SPF
Yeah.
because skincare में अगर आप sunscreen retinol के साथ नहीं कर रहे हैं, you're actually making your skin more prone to.
Also, कुछ
these.
ingredients होते हैं that help the absorption of retinol, like niacinamide. So कुछ skin care products या serums जिनके अंदर niacinamide है, वो आप use कर सकते हैं. जैसे Pond's Bright Beauty Serum, it has niacinamide in it. तो niacinamide जो है वो help करता है उसकी absorption को. तो it's a really great mix with retinol. जिस रात को आप लगा रहे हैं उस रात को आप ये serum भी लगा सकते हैं.
So you can
Yeah.
slow down aging and wrinkling.
Yeah, with skincare, good skincare, yes.
You can?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, amazing.
Absolutely.
Lovely. I think that's the answer we all
And great
wanted
thoughts,
to hear.
yes, and
Yeah.
great thoughts.
Yeah. Again,
Positive
mental health.
mindset.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, so I think you guys have really simplified it for me, I think. Because मुझे बहुत overwhelming लगती थी, you know, कि
It shouldn't be. It's like basic.
yeah, but then you know, अब सुबह में अलग करो, then you pick up something and you put it in your bag, वो एक अलग set होना है because दिन में आपको लगाना है. So you know, there are some things that I need to carry, which is I'm assuming my SPF
Yes.
and my moisturizer, correct?
Yep.
I would suggest SPF if you have really dry skin, then go for keeping your moisturizer. But if you like in the morning genuinely do a very hydrating skincare routine, I think uske effects अगले 6 से 7
हाँ,
घंटों
and
की
you can
होते
use a
हैं.
long-lasting moisturizer also, but
Yeah.
yes, you can carry
But
like you said,
SPF
you
you
have
must
dry
carry.
skin, na?
Yeah. This looks, it feels like a personal. Called you all here for my personal consultation.
Personal consultation.
No, but I hope this will help other people as well. So I think for oily skin as well, you need to follow a similar routine, but different products, of course.
Absolutely.
That's right. Correct. And you need to be consistent.
100%.
Super consistent.
Yeah. And I really like your idea, by the way, that skincare ke time pe it's like me time, right?
Yeah, so I like to habit stack. If I want to make my green tea and I'm not finding any time of the day, okay, at night, put your green tea, put music on, do your skincare. Okay, if you're doing a double cleanse, take that time because I used to rush my skincare.
That's
Used to just
so
be like,
nice.
okay, I'm quickly like washing my face, 10 seconds, applying products, and you're just wasting products. You're wasting your money. You're not like applying the products perfectly. तो सबसे पहले आप product को apply करना भी सीखना चाहिए. Moisturizers, a lot of people just put it on dry skin and they think it's going to absorb. As you know, she said, we need our skin to be a bit on the wet side for the product to absorb because dry skin के ऊपर कुछ अंदर नहीं जाएगा. So hydration again is key to even just wellness related skincare.
Yeah, I think that's really, really helpful, I think, for me and for everyone else
Yeah.
watching as well. So there are some major things that you need in your skincare. That's niacinamide, that's SPF moisturizer, and anything else that you think is good for your skin. Patch testing is important.
Hyaluronic acid is a great ingredient for hydration and it works for all skin types.
Yeah.
I feel like everyone is also very nitpicky when it comes to their skin कि हमारी skin ऐसी है और वैसी है. Hyaluronic acid सबके लिए काम करता है, even guys, because it's just hydrating your skin.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
it.
And then, of course, top it up with a good diet, good lifestyle,
Yeah.
good mental health. Stay away from stress and anxiety.
बिल्कुल.
What's that one myth that you want to bust today? Skincare myth, both of you.
I think just coming back to it कि आप अपनी skin color को change नहीं कर सकते. अगर आपकी skin पे कोई pressing issues या conditions हैं, you cannot just reverse that without speaking to a licensed professional. And even if you're going to a professional and you don't feel comfortable, you feel like they are pushing products, take a step back because as we know, skin is so personal when it comes to women and men. So just don't listen to everything you see on the internet, very ironic coming from a content creator. Do your own research, patch test because आपकी skin है, you're going to care for it the most.
Yeah.
आपसे ज़्यादा कोई इतना care नहीं कर पाएगा, but with a trusted like dermatologist, if you are dealing with something for a prolonged time, would be the great solution. So
Yeah.
stop
Yeah.
trusting the internet for everything.
और मेरा आई थिंक dermatology related होगा कि for you to be able to see big changes, you need to take small steps daily. Not like overnight. हम भी कोई magic नहीं कर सकते. ये मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ. For those of everyone who knows me, they know that this is the mantra that we follow. It doesn't happen in a day. It's a long, continuous process. Keep working on yourself. Keep working on your skin. Like we said, we talked about diet, everything. 360 degrees.
Yeah.
Finding a balance is so important.
Yeah.
And it's difficult. It's hard. It's not
And
easy.
balance changes. I think
Yeah.
at each age, you guys have had
Yeah.
such different lives when women especially need to take time out for themselves. I feel like दिन में अगर आप 5 मिनट भी अपने लिए निकाल रहे हैं and whatever makes you feel good, just do it because that mental clarity and that good skin can only come when you are at peace.
Yeah.
And if
Ayla, but I loved your explanation of me time.
Yeah.
I felt so great listening to it. I'm gonna do that tonight.
Yeah, same.
We're
you
gonna do
guys
that.
must. Like, I'm the biggest
This felt
advocate.
so great.
Yeah, and light that candle as well.
Yeah.
I was in
घर
that.
पहुंच के आ जाइए करूँगी.
you guys must.
No matter how tired I am.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
No,
do
you
that.
tag
And
me
I
if you
think-
post your stories.
This is for people who are going through, skin issues. For people who watch them go through skin issues, stop commenting on their
Absolutely.
skin. Oh, तुम्हारी ये thing."
Unsolicited opinions, I don't think आप कभी किसी को भी खुश कर सकते हैं. You can never make everyone happy. मेरी skin पे जब acne थी, I would see comments. People are, pinpointing on it, even if it's a fashion-related video. अब दाने नहीं है तो बोलते, oh, आपके दाने कहाँ गए? Like, who are you? Why are you asking? But that's, I think, the master. I think थोड़े सा invasive नहीं बने इतने. Stop asking
Be
questions.
kind. Be kind.
Be kind.
Be kind, and if you wouldn't want to answer something, वो सवाल आप किसी और से नहीं पूछें.
Yeah.
Basic.
Good one.
Live
It's
and let
personal
live.
information.
Yeah, man.
आपकी शादी कब होगी? आपके बच्चे
बच्चे
के
कब होंगे? आपका दूसरा बच्चा कब होगा?
I love it.
Thank you so much for this personal consultation that I had. No, I'm kidding, guys. I hope that whatever you guys, told everyone today on the set, and of course for everyone who's watching, it helps them. And I know it will. And if it doesn't, they will reach out to you.
Yeah.
And they can ask you personally on Instagram.
They can reach out to us anytime. Anything skincare related, we are here.
Amazing, amazing. Thank you so much for coming in. And
for
अपना
having
बहुत
us.
ख्याल रखिएगा. Remember, just 3 things are important: quality, simplicity, and consistency. And that's exactly what Pond's stands for. Thank you so much. अपना बहुत बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा. Stay healthy, stay fresh, and see you guys very soon. Khuda Hafiz.